Yes, so everybody is able to write it in the chat box. So be ready for very interesting questions now. Okay, so my first question of the second round, where you can score 20 marks, is how many individual cubes does this cube consist of? How many individual cubes does this cube consist of? Okay, we have the answers coming up. I'm sorry, wait. Okay, Akhil Pal gave the correct answer. Akhil, your team gets 20 marks. Very good, Akhil. So Akhil Pal has given the correct answer. Thank you, children. The correct answer is 27 cubes. You can count them. Beta.
Now, what is the meaning of individual cube?
Separate, alag, separate, one. Like if you see a huge, the bigger cube is made up of you may write it in the chat box quickly. But I think I'm able to communicate properly with both of you, Rhythm and Vedant. So we will be expecting the answers in the mic only. Once you answer or pass, next question will be asked accordingly. So if you don't know the answer, then please say pass. I will ask the next question. Don't waste much of the time in one question. That's my advice. Okay? And very important, I will accept a first answer. Whatever answer will be given first, that will be considered as the final answer. You will get 1 minute to answer each set of questions, and you can say pass. You can pass the question by saying pass. Rules are clear, Rhythm and Vedant? Vedant, is it clear? Vedant, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for the response. So here comes the first set of questions that is coming for Rhythm. Rhythm, are you ready? Okay.
It's the only number.
Okay, let's see. The set of questions for you, Rhythm. Which is the only number that cannot be used as a divisor? Come on, Rhythm.
Ma'am, 0.
Zero. Okay. In which number system there is no symbol for zero? Okay. Which number does not have a reciprocal?
1.
Sorry, incorrect. Who is known as the father of mathematics? Aryabhat? No, sorry, it's incorrect. How many centimeters make a decameter? How many centimeters make a decameter? Quickly give the answer or say pass. Pass. Okay. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? HCF of two consecutive numbers. Consecutive means? Repeat the answer, please. Pass. Okay, sorry, it's incorrect. Which is the only even prime number?
2.
Okay, although the time is over, so I could not ask the other questions. Out of 7 questions, Rhythm, your 3 answers were correct. Okay, thank you, Rhythm, that's good. Okay, you can go through the other questions, they are very interesting questions. I again say, if you don't know the answer, then please, children, you may say pass. Vedant, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here let's start the rapid fire round with Vedant. How many zeros are there in 1 billion?
Ma'am, 8.
Sorry, it's incorrect. LCM of 30, 15 and 20 is
5.
wrong. Name the longest chord of the circle.
Diameter.
Okay, correct. Who developed an easy method to find out all the prime numbers?
Pass.
Okay. What is the product of a fraction and its reciprocal?
1.
Correct. Which number is considered as Ramanujan number?
Pass.
What is the next prime number after 13?
17.
Correct. What is the sum of supplementary angles?
180.
Correct. Can a triangle have two obtuse angles?
No.
No, very correct. The first one. How many sides are there in a heptagon?
7.
Very good. Excellent, excellent. Oof, it was quick, quick, quick. So, out of 10 questions which I was able to ask, Vedant, you have really scored well and answered 6 questions. Congratulations, Vedant. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So, just give some time to your teachers to calculate your marks. Well done, children. That was a quick one. And I really enjoyed it, and I hope so that you all also enjoyed it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
it was quick and really geared it up. Wow, it was really fast. So at the end of the third round, we are just waiting for the results, which will be told by Shifa ma'am. Shifa ma'am, please come and tell the answer, the result. Children, I hope it was an enriching experience for you all also as it was for me. Yes? Are you,
Yes, ma'am.
are you waiting for the result?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
let's
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was waiting for the result.
I am also waiting.
Good afternoon, children. So,
Good
while
afternoon,
I'm
ma'am.
waiting for result,
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, what you are thinking? Any guess?
No, ma'am.
No, no one. Anybody? Can you guess who has won this one?
Team
Today?
5.
What
Team
Vijay?
5.
Ma'am,
Team 5.
I'm 5.
Okay, now I'll tell this one. Okay, now the first winner of this one is class 5E, section 5E. Big round of applause for 5E. And the second is class 5D. Congratulations to both the teams. Okay, so I think so. I hope that you all have enjoyed today's mathathon competition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.